Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I have a confession to make. I have a serious weakness for teapots. And when I saw this super cute one from CNGLASS, I knew I had to have it. So I kind of wondered at first how durable it would be because it seems really delicate, but I have to tell you that this is made with really strong and sturdy glass, and it can stand up to a lot, like even on my stove. We use propane gas, and I was able to put it directly onto the grate above the flame, and it did so good. And of course, when you get a clear glass teapot, you want to see the colors of the tea that you're brewing. And that is one of the reasons also that I really like this. Look how beautiful it is when I brew this butterfly pea tea. It works so good with the infuser when you have a little bit of a larger loose leaf. I also made English breakfast with loose leaf tea with the infuser, and it worked really well. Of course, you can just use tea bags in it if you're not a loose leaf fan. You can see after I'm done pouring my tea that there's nothing dripping out, and there's a nice little part on the bottom of the spout that keeps it from doing that. I think this is such a beautiful teapot for my collection. You could also get it as a gift for someone, or you could just keep it for yourself. I really like it, and that's my point of view.